Welcome. My name is Donnie Jones, and today I will be presenting on how to change a disposable diaper. There are a few essential items that you will need when changing a baby's diaper. The most importantly is, of course, changing pad and a new diaper as well. Sometimes you might need a few wipes, diaper ointment if you have a baby that maybe have some diaper rash, and sometimes diaper ointment is also used for prevention of diaper rash, and also a change of clothes if necessary. First item you want to do is undress the baby. First, importantly, you want to ensure the baby is safe and in a safe position, safe place. Sometimes parents will partially undress, and sometimes parents will completely undress. It's up to you and what the necessity you need. Place the new diaper under the old. This allows for additional layer of protection from any additional accidents the baby may have, and it also saves time and allows for a smooth transition from the old diaper to the new diaper. Unfasten the old diaper's tabs. Once you unfasten the tabs, you want to make sure that you fold them onto themselves to prevent the tabs from sticking to the baby or any other material that is around. Slowly open the old diaper. This allows you to slowly expose the baby's lower half. At the same time, it allows to assess the situation if you need to maybe go get additional wipes that you didn't plan on, or if there's something you weren't anticipating. Fold the old diaper under the baby's bottom. While doing so, you want to use the diaper to wipe any excess poop that may be present. Also, you may want to place a wipe or a cloth over top of a little boy's private parts if you need to. Little boys are known for uncontrolled urination while being changed. You want to clean the front side of the baby first. Some possible wiping materials that parents tend to use are wipes or a moist cloth, sometimes gauze. When wiping, you want to be gentle, and for little girls you want to wipe from the front to the back. This prevents from any bacteria getting into the little girl's private area. Now, after you clean the front side of the baby, you want to clean the baby's bottom. Sometimes if there's poop present, you will need another wipe or several more. There's a couple different techniques people tend to use. One technique is lift the legs. Another technique is roll to the side. You really want to be thorough at this step. There's a lot of bacteria in urine and poop, and could really cause some irritation and rashes along the road. Speaking of rashes, rash prevention. A lot of doctors and pediatricians actually recommend air drying your baby after changing, but most parents will say it's kind of hard. There's a lot of uncontrolled going to the bathroom, but you can pat the baby dry as well. And at this point, you would use some type of diaper rash cream if necessary, or even petroleum jelly. Now you can remove the dirty diaper. If you follow one of the previous steps, the new diaper is actually underneath, so there's a smooth transition from dirty to new. One thing I tend to do is wrap the dirty wipes in the old diaper, and this kind of helps having one little package of a dirty diaper rather than multiple items. At this point, you would want to fold the front of the clean diaper upwards between the baby's legs. For little boys, you would want to point the penis down. This prevents urine from being pointed towards the top of the diaper and maybe caught somehow getting out. For newborns, you want to fold the top down. This prevents any interaction with a freshly exposed umbilical cord. And also, if you fold the top inward, and did not point a little boy's penis downward, this is another layer of protection from urine getting out with little boys. And at this stage, quality control is pretty key. You want to make sure the umbilical cord's not interacting with the diaper to your best of your ability. There's going to be some ride up the diaper as babies are wiggly and tend to attempt to move a lot. Make sure that the spacing between the legs is sufficient. This will prevent chafing from happening, or attempt to prevent chafing from happening. Your next step would be to fasten the diaper. When fastening the diaper to a child, you want to make sure the diaper is snug, but not too tight and not pinching the child's skin. Once the diaper is fastened, you can now dress the baby in either the clothes that the baby was previously in, or any new clothes you want to put on the baby. And again, you want to make sure the baby is in a safe place. The next step would be to dispose of the diaper. You can purchase disposable bags at most stores where you buy diapers. If you do dispose of the diaper in the garbage, your household garbage, beware, some animals will try to get into the garbage to get the diaper. I don't know why they like the smell of it. If you do dispose of in trash, your household trash, be aware that it will begin to stink if you do not take the trash out. It is best recommended to take the trash out after you throw the diaper away. I myself I'm not a fan of dumping poop into the toilet. It just adds another layer of of grossness, for lack of a better term. But you can dump poop into a toilet and then throw the diaper away. And also there are flushable diapers that you can purchase as well. One of the last steps is cleanup. You want to make sure you wash your hands afterwards, or use some type of hand sanitizer. Also, you put all the materials, your wipes and any extra diapers or any extra clothes, and your diaper cream. You want to make sure you put it back and out of the reach of any children. A few tips, tricks, and advice. You want to change your baby's diaper frequently. This prevents from any rashes occurring in your baby. This allows your baby to be more comfortable. Noted different types of rash. There are mainly two different types of rash. One's a yeast rash, and the other is just an irritant rash. Be sure to stock up on your diapers, wipes, and baby ointment. You always need them until your child is potty trained. Diaper manufacturers have come out with wetness indicators installed on their diapers. This allows you to easily recognize a baby is wet rather than having to feel or know the baby's crying to know the baby needs change. So they really dumbed it down for parents to be able to know their baby is wet. And sometimes your baby's going to be excited or crying. You want to practice some calming tips. Maybe also have a pacifier at hand. A few items of never to do. Never leave your baby unattended, and never change your baby in an unsafe location. Where an unsafe location may be where an item might be able to fall on the baby, or you place the baby on the changing table and don't strap the baby in. So be sure to keep your baby safe and always have your eye on your baby. And lastly, if you would like any additional information, please visit babycenter.com. Thank you.